Okay folks, here we go. This is a solar powered window air conditioner by New Dyma Solar. Currently it's about 10:45 a.m. The air conditioner is running. The power cord is not plugged in. However, the unit is connected to these three 180 watt solar panels. Currently we have a data logger going, and the array voltage is 96. The amps is 3.2, producing 315 watts. The output power, meaning how much the air conditioner is using, is 309 watts. The unit produces 10,000 BTU, has all the solar components inside. Here we have a TriStar MPPT charge controller, circuit breakers for the solar and battery output of the charge controller, and this unit also has a 110 volt power supply that is photovoltaically controlled via this lux sensor. So when there's not enough sunlight and we're plugged into the grid, the unit will still run off the grid. So to show you that this unit runs off of one battery, which is kept charged from the solar. Here we have the inside components. We have three wires coming in to each the positive and the negative post. One's from the solar, one's from the power supply, and one feeds the air conditioner to run it. So that's it, folks. Everything contained inside of the window unit. So you simply plug the solar panels into the air conditioner, and there you have it, free air conditioning.